Hi dear students, welcome back to another video. This video is connected with the installation of Google Analytics 4, Google Analytics GA4 or Google Analytics 4 version into a website. So here we'll be installing Google Analytics tracking guard, or we'll be creating a stream and installing its tracking guard in a website maintained in WordPress. So this is the website. So students, this is our alumni website asta.theresas.ac.in. So first of all, I'll be trying to copy this website address and starting Google Analytics. I'm trying to sign with Google Analytics, and I will be reaching at Google Analytics homepage where by default it will be loading any website which we checked last time. So we'll be trying to create a new account in Google Analytics. So we can maintain up to 100 accounts in a Google Analytics on Gmail ID, or created it on Gmail. So I'll be creating a new account. By clicking on create account, we can add a name, like we can add the name like Asta STC. So this is our website, asta.theresas.ac.in. So I am creating an account in the name of Asta STC, and I'll be checking these Google products and services. All the ticks are live, and I'm just clicking on next button. We can give a name like a Asta STC website. So the property name, it can be we can add more properties in an account. So why we need to give account name and that property names? It is for just identifying. Initially I said that we can add up to 100 accounts in a Google Analytics created with a Gmail ID. So if you have installed more websites, created more accounts, by giving a proper name, identifying name, it will be very easy to identify the projects. Like I am giving Asta, I can give here Asta STC website. So I'm just giving reporting time zone. So by default it will be USA. Now I'm trying to give Indian time zone. So the reporting will be shown in the Indian time zone. That means GMT plus 5:30. So if our country location is USA, we need to give the USA. We can select the time zone. So selecting a time zone, it is reporting time zone. It is very important that we select our own time zone for reporting time zone. If we wrongly select other time zones like US or other countries, the timing, the reporting time zone will be in their timing. So a visit generated in a particular time in IST will be not accurate with the time zone we selected. So uh, uh, we should be very careful by selecting the reporting time zone. So a report will be generated in this time zone. So we can select the currency also. Here will be by default it is showing US dollar. Now I am giving INR like Indian rupees. Indian rupees. So I am selecting Indian rupees as currency and clicking on next button. Here it will be asking about the industry category. So this is related with the education website. So I'll be selecting books and literature, beauty, education will be there. So the jobs and education will be appropriate category. So I'll be selecting the size of our company, like it includes the number of employees. Like I'm selecting 100 to 500 employees. Okay, that is something with our college. So I'm just clicking next button. Here we need to select. If you wish to track the general leads, we can tick here. We need to drive online sales, tick here. Raise brand awareness, we can tick here. Examine user behavior, it is better for analyze. We can analyze the user behavior of visitors, raise brand awareness, drive online sales. So the Google Analytics will be very helpful for getting these all things. So if you don't wish the detailed things, if you wish a baseline report, you can tick this only and clicking create, but create now. Then it will be asking for a terms of service agreement. It is connected with actually the terms of service agreement showing here is connected with the US. That's why it is showing US. Now we can select India because we are following Indian constitution. So I'm just selecting India. So the once we select India or other country, the terms of service agreement will be changed or customized accordingly to the jurisdiction of that particular country. So I can click I also accept. I can drag here, I can drag here, then I can do, I accept the measurement, control of data protection, and I can click I accept. So it will be leading to the area where start collection of data. Like we can click, we can actually install Google Analytics in iOS app, Android app, also in web. So if you wish to track details in a website or alone, you can click here. So I'm selecting website and I can copy the website URL. So I have copied the website URL and I'm placing in this area. So it's already there. The HTTP protocol prefix is already there. So I'm removing it. I can add a name like Asta STC website as stream name. So we must add a stream name. So it will be very easy for very good for us. So I'm selecting create a stream option. So I'm choosing enhanced measurement. So by choosing measurement, we can get a view tag instructions here. Once you click on tag instruction, we can get some two options. Like your website is maintained with these of all CMS, we can select it. Also, we can select add the tracking code in the manually. So you can copy the manual option and copy the code. This is a tracking code. You can copy the tracking code and you can log in with the website. Like you can log in with it. Since it is a WordPress website, you can type wp-admin. So it will be navigating to the navigation area, login area. So here we can add our password. So just I have entered the password and it will be reaching at the dashboard of the website. So once we reach the dashboard, we can select the appearance area and also we can select the theme file editor option here. So we can add the tracking code. I understand. You can click on I understand. Then select the tracking code or copy the tracking code in the header.php. So we need to add the tracking code in the header.php area. So this is the header.php area, and we can select paste the tracking code here. We can add update button here. So once the file is updated, we'll be able to check our Google Analytics here. So this is the session about how we can install Google Analytics tracking code in our Google Analytics. So we can select the Google Analytics and we can start tracking our website details and visits. So if you need the tracking code in other any other options like tag manager, we can use it. So in the next class, we'll be learning about the tag manager, how we can install tag manager in a website. So today's video is over. So thank you for watching. We'll be meeting in next class. Bye bye.